Now let us see about the invertebrata. How many phylums are there in invertebrata? Totally 9 phylum. Okay, last class we learned totally 9 phylum. And then now let we look at the topic from the following categories. What are that? Body organization, cell structure, reproduction, examples. Okay, these categories we will look at. And first one is phylum. Phylum is Porifera. The first phylum is Porifera, otherwise pore bearers. Okay, Porifera is a pore bearers. And body, how is body organized? The cellular grade of organization. That means is starting of the cell. That is the initial of the cell. That is the cellular grade of organization. Here, cell structure, how is formed? The cell structure is a multicellular and aquatic, that is a marine habitat, used to live in a sea water. Marine means sea water. And his body is fully covered, perforated. In your book given that word perforated means lot of spores. Okay, so the body is fully covered, lot of spores. That pores is called the ostia. That spores is called what? Ostia. Water enters into the body through the ostia, these spores only. Okay, and leads to the canal system. That canal system means what? Tube-like structures. Okay, the water is circulate throughout the body and carry the what? Food and oxygen. Water is the food for these organisms, and food, oxygen, the body fully circulated via the ostia and a canal system. Okay, so after that the body wall contains spicules. Spicules means what? Here needle like structures. Spicules is what? Needle like structures. It protect the body structures, and it is made up of calcareous material. Calcareous materials, what the formation of calcareous materials means? Calcium carbonate and silica. The fusion of calcium carbonate and silica, it's a very hard, and then it's provide to the structural support. And nowadays economically we are used in bathtub scrubbers. It's very highly expensive. Sponge spicules are used in bathtub scrubbers because it's made up of what? Calcareous materials. No, it's remove easily the toxin substances and very hard also. So but it is a very costly. And after that, reproduction. Asexual and sexual. Asexual means here absence of sexual, and sexual, that is the fertilization. Male and female gametes joined together, fusion joined together to form a zygote. This process is called the fertilization. That is the sexual reproduction. Asexual means is the absence of fertilization. And example, Euplectella and Cycon and sponges also. Okay, I'll given that picture here. Look at the picture, you can easily understand. Okay, the second phylum is Coelenterata. Okay, otherwise Cnidaria. C is a silent word. Cnidaria. Cnidaria. C is a silent word. Okay, first, how is organized the body organization and cell structure, reproduction, example, same category we look at that. First one is body organization. How is organized? In Porifera, this is a cellular grade, but here tissue grade. What is mean by tissue? The group of cells is made up of. And cell structure, the cell structure is multicellular. This is also multicellular. And the body of region, the body region of Coelenterata is called what? Coelentron. Okay, the body region of Coelenterata is called what? Coelentron. Okay, this coelentron having gastrovascular cavity. That is the central gastrovascular cavity is there. Commonly the gastro means stomach and vascular denoted is heart. It's a common. So here gastrovascular cavity is present. That's why the gastro means stomach. So primary digestion occurs and vascular responsible for heart. So the circulation, primary of digestion and circulation is there. So that's the word is gastrovascular cavity. The organisms is present in central part of that reagent, that is called the coelentron. So the level, what is level here? Symmetry, radial symmetry. Already we learned, no, radial symmetry means what? If cut the organisms in any direction from the central axis, we get equal halves. Okay, we get it the equal halves, same halves. So after that, germ layers during the earlier embryonic stages only it's formed. In lower organisms, two layers only form. That is, two layer means what? Early we know diploblastic. Diplo means di means two, and blastic means during the blastulation, that is the embryonic stages is developed. So two layers formed. After that, mouth, the big openings is there. It's surrounded by lot of tentacles present. Okay, lot of tentacles present. It's a one it's harmful, unknowingly touch any organisms, it can affect the prey and catch it that. Okay, so this is the these tentacle cells are called otherwise stinging cells, because if you touch, immediately is responsible, it releases to the some venom, otherwise is called the nidoblast. C is a silent word here, nidoblast or nematocyst. It releases some venom, is a self defense, is responsible for self defenses. Okay, reproduction, this also same for porifera, asexual and sexual reproduction. And then examples of jellyfish, hydra and sea anemone. And many coelenterates exhibits polymorphisms only. What is mean by polymorphism? The same species but having a different structures and functions. It may be vary the one organisms to another organism, but same species. That is, that word name is the polymorphisms. Okay, the third phylum is Platyhelminthes, otherwise flatworms. Okay, in the 9 phylum invertebrata, 9 phylums arranged according to the organization level only. So we cannot change it the order. First one is Porifera, second one is Coelenterata, and third one is Platyhelminthes, isn't it? Now we see the body organ. Is a level of organization what? Here also tissue grade only. The group of cells is made up. And then cell structure is here parasite. It is used to live in other organisms for food purpose. Okay, how is attached to the other organisms? With the help of hooks and suckers. Okay, suck the food materials, so with the help of hooks and suckers. And excretion here, flame cells, the specialized cells is called the flame cells. It's remove the wastes from the body. Okay, and after that, this organism is a hermaphrodite, very important. Hermaphrodite means that is the male and female sex organs present in the same organisms is called the hermaphrodite. And example of liver fluke and tapeworm.